Holy snipes! Oh my god! Oh, there's a freaking Pepsi thing! What is this? Is this something worth the go? Throw that back over. Holy snipes, guys. Holy snipes. Look at. Oh, watch. Holy snipes. Guys, I'm going to put my camera really safe. So, I'm going to walk through this. Here, if I get wet, it's going to be freaking awesome. This thing is deeper than my boots on this spot. Ooh, I'm going to get wet. Oh, you know this is going to suck. Back here is flooded. South Carolina flood 2015 hurricane. One. Oh, this is cold. Oh, said I'm walking up it. Holy snipes! My boots are overflowing. Yeah, I'm gonna go the other way. I can't make it that way. That's where all this freaking water's from. I thought it was worse right there. Right here, but right there is freaking awful. Just grab this real quick. Hyenas in our freaking yard. Dude, holy snipes, it's freaking messy. My boots have already overflowed, and now I'm sinking. These things, it was deeper than my boots. We had to walk uphill. My pajamas are ruined. Holy snipes, guys. That was crazy. Now it looks like I'm just walking up a little stream. Holy snipes! 2015 South Carolina flood in Coward, South Carolina. Holy snipes! This thing's ankle deep right here. Oh, look, it's my room. It's nowhere even near the window. Oh, yes. Dude, yes. Look, and here it is. Oh, dude. This is crazy. What is this? VTech. Put that over there. Get on there. And a big, ginormous limb. Holy smokes. Dang. Go that way. You gotta be careful with the ditches up here. Look at that. It's one of the flags they put out. Look. The ditch is right here, guys. You see how it's overflowing on it? It's really bad. Let's go walk down the stream. As promised. I'm already soaking wet. My body, whole entire body isn't, but my freaking pants are. Oh, it looks like, oh, don't mess up our air. We need that. So let's get caught by the current. It definitely will move like I am about to. This VTech thing, I'm sorry, but you gotta go. There goes the VTech. See, it goes really high powered stream down this point. I was kind of scared to go down it. See, there goes a big log. think it's because there's freaking bumps and all. Trying to get these limbs to go back there. And then they'll clog up. Yeah. I'm going with it. This is the part that gets rough, guys. Holy snipes. Holy snipes. I'm gonna have to redo this, but I'm still gonna go through this junk. Dude! Look at that! Look, it's going in. It's overflowing. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. See. Now time to walk up it. There's that shoe we seen before all this happened. Walking up, there's a big buggy. Oh! Guys! We made it. Let's go back down. Holy snipes. It just pulls your feet. It hurts so big. Holy snipes. I know what I'm saying, holy snipes lights. Look, stand still. I don't even see my boots. Can't see that one. You just barely see that one. Whew. Kind of tempted to go out farther. Be cool. Okay, let's go farther. We'll look at a different planet too. Perfect. I'm scared there's a freaking water moccasin in here. Another thing over there is flooding our grapevines. Look, there's that V2 thing, logs there. Holy snipes. We got a pond. I think we got a freaking lake instead of a pond right now. Well, guys, see you in a minute. Way back up. Make my way back up.